Welcome back, everyone. And you have made it to level 5. Congratulations! The one you've probably all been waiting for. For these kinds of shoots, because of how much goes into it and how much I have to get right in camera, these I normally charge $750 to $1,000 for like 3 to 5 images. So what you're looking at here is me picking and choosing the best ones that I want to use each individual small little element on this car. And then I'm bringing it in and I'm editing in just those tiny little elements. And so what you're seeing is me getting just those little highlights on the bumper or the wheel or just the one on the mirror that I like the very most, and then I'm gonna edit to suit that need. Now I am going into the background and editing in a little more, but for this next one we're just gonna keep it super clean. Or no, I'm sorry. This one is the abstract version where we're gonna get a little crazy. Now I did notice that I brought in the clean image from the start for the car, where it was just one single swipe over the car to make it look the best it can. But now you're seeing me just combine little elements here and there, and then I'm going to take it into a program. Once again, any program, it doesn't have to be the one you're seeing me use, which is X5. It could be any kind of color grading, color rendering software. It could be anything you want just to get the things you want to get. And then so what you're seeing me do is I want to go in and create some kind of blur. It wasn't working in that program, so I'm going into path blur and I'm going to follow that path and go from there. It's for the person that brought me this car. Somebody that has disposable income with a high level of just don't care for something they want to just throw up on their wall as a poster of their car, because who knows, maybe they're getting 4 of the next kind of car and they just want something to remember the previous car they had and they can show off something that's just disposable income to. So what you saw me do was finish that abstract. Now we're going into the super high-end clean look where it's just one single pass over the top, and then I'm just cleaning up all these elements to make it look the best it can, so it looks like a flawless car that just had the most impeccable little detail job ever done on it. This is frequency separation. We're taking away all the little highlights, nudging things to certain places and making it look super clean and tidy, almost like it wasn't even any dirt on it at all. You can smudge things and go from there, but we're all done. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. I went through this pretty quick, so if you have a question about the business side or how to get more business on the car side, let me know in the comments below. Hit the bell, turn it on so you can see what's to come next. Have a nice day.